श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटि सूर्य समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। वासुदेवभ्यो नमः।
Okay. Namaste. Good morning. I think I have started the recording. Today my computer is behaving properly. So no
Okay.
issues. So we will start from lesson 7.
Your voice is very low, madam.
Why? I have put it the highest. Now, can you hear me?
No, it
You
is
can hear.
fine. It
It's
is
fine,
fine.
huh?
It's nice. It
Okay.
is nice and loud. It is
Okay.
nice and loud.
Okay.
Oh,
Pariraj
there may be
Bhati?
some problem with me. I'll
Yeah.
try to put this on.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are starting from lesson 7. So next week, next month, another 2 weeks. I think by lesson 10, I will finish by the end of March. Okay. All the lesson 10s will be able to finish. April first 2 weeks, I am not available. I am going out. So after that, those who are going to write the exam, for all of us, we can go through the grammar once more. That is my plan. Okay. And I don't know about this institution, what they are going to ask me to take class next, I have no idea. If possible, I will go to take Siksha also. If they allow me, Parichaya, next Siksha also we can take. Like that we will go. I hope people in this group, some of them are going to write the exam. In that case, from May onwards, we can again go through all the grammar once more. Because this Kartari, Karmani, Ikta Pratyam, Tautu Pratyayam, and your Shatra, Shanaj, and all this one, Latte, Lote, Lang, these will continue till you reach whatever level, because they are very important. They are the base blocks. So that we will go through once more. That's my plan as of now. So today I have started 7th lesson. 6th last week we have completed. Today 7th, other than grammar, because in here grammar is only bhashan, that is karmani prayog, that we have already done it. So bhutakala karmani prayogam, we have already done it. If at all we want, I can go through it once more. That regarding grammar, anytime you tell me this is what the lesson we want today, that can be done. That is not a problem. So today we will go through the other aspects other than the grammar in the lesson 7. Like that 8, 9, 10 we will complete. And we will go back to the grammar again once more where we feel we need more training in that. And homeworks also will be given now. Now sir has written the exam very well, so congratulations sir. Now immediately you have applied for other exam also, so we are very happy. And now we will go through the lesson 7. The Sukti. Can you read, madam? Swapnaji Sukti. It is there, this side, if you can.
Anuktamapyuhati pandito janah.
You can split and tell me. Padachedam kritva vadatu. Anuktam.
Anuktam
Appu plus
apyuhati.
yo, there is a yan sandhi.
Oh, api. Api.
Uhati.
Uhati.
Api plus uhati. That alone will become apyuhati. Ikaram will become yakaram, no, in yan sandhi. The minute you say yakaram, previous you put e. And in the place of ya, put akaram. Then it will become, there is a ya plus uhati, it will become. So, anuktam api uhati panditaha. Okaram is visargam, you have to put it. Because visarga sandhi you have not yet learned. Janaha. Okay. Pandita, that is what they are trying to tell. Anuktam. Bhuktam means what? Vachadatu. Speaking. Uktam means telling. Uktam means telling.
Panditaha janaha anuktam api uhati.
Yes, Panditaha janaha anuktam api uhate. Even if you don't tell something, intelligent people, they know how to guess that because they understand that. So a wise man understands even that which is not spoken. Many a times we understand better when it is not spoken. That is what the whole thing is about. Okay, Panditaha janaha.
Uhati means understand. Uhati.
Uhati. Uham means what do you call? Guess.
Oh, guess.
Usually uham means guess. Here you can put understand because they are able, uhati means you are able to correctly understand. That's the idea behind it. Otherwise, uhati is only for guessing only. Uham means generally guessing. They are able to guess what you want to tell correctly. So they are able to understand. That's the idea. Now that other things we have to now see. That is control plus.
ज्ञानी पुरुषः अनुक्तं विषयमपि अनुमानं करोति.
Anumanam, that's all. Anumanam also nothing but uham only. Okay, now there are certain words which you are supposed to learn, like odanam, annam. This all we know, but quickly we'll go through it. Can you read what Swapnaji? Odanam.
ओदनम् अन्नं क्वथितं
Kvatitam.
सारः सूपः.
You know the meaning of these things, no? Yeah.
Yes.
Daily life we are using these things.
उपसेचनं वटकं. Yeah. दाधिकं.
This thing,
दाधिकं means
Dadikam
oh,
means Avial Tamil vital, no?
avial.
All
Okay.
type of vegetables and nariyal and peas ke kattona. Avial.
Okay. पर्पटः. Okay.
This side we forbidden.
तेमनं मोर्कुळम्बु. तेमनं व्यञ्जनं.
Vegetable. Any
Yeah,
side dish, no? Vegetables are Vanjanam. Even in village Tamil, they say Vanjanam. I am so surprised looking at it.
कोशम्बरी. अवलेहः.
Avalehah urha.
उपसेचनं वटकं. दाधिकं पर्पटः. अवदंशः चिप्स्. ओके.
Chips, avadamsha.
दध्योदनं दही रैस्. ओके. चित्रान्नं मिक्स्ड रैस्. रोटिका. ताक्रं. पूरिका. तक्रं बटरमिल्क. यवागूः न कंजी. Okay, पायसं, पोलिका, मिष्टकं.
All sweets.
लड्डुकं, कुंडलिका.
Jalebi we call it, no? That is Kundalika. Jangri jalebi. I don't know which one this one is.
That is jangri.
Jangri. Now Chatu Slokam will go through it. Would like to, sir, would you like to read Chatu Slokam? Panin, sir, read it. He has unmuted. I can't hear.
I think there's some problem with his audio. Can't hear you, sir.
Okay. There is some problem.
Okay, let's go. Amrita.
Amrita ji, you can read it.
Now can you hear?
We can hear. Now we can hear.
Now.
Okay. Some problem with my Bluetooth. Always problem.
Yes.
Okay. Vachatam samayotitah.
Wait a minute. Whenever there is, we can split it while reading itself, you split it. Or later you split it. No problem.
Okay. Vachatam samaya atitah.
Samayaha atitah. There is a visargam. Visargam plus becomes ukaram, then vokaram. So, and you know that Sati is a Purva Rupa Sandhi. When yes is there. These are all hal sandhis. You have not learnt. But anyway, remember, in the place of yes, always one akaram is sitting.
Okay. So, samayaha atitah spashtam agre bhavishyati iti paఠయतां granthe काठिन्यम kutra vartate.
Now again split the words.
Okay. Vachatam is one word. Samayah atitah samasa ho gaya.
Yeah.
Spashtam agre. Is a split is correct?
Correct. Spashtam agre. Correct.
Bhavishyati is one word. Iti is one word. Paఠయतां is also one word. Granthe is one word. Kaఠिन्यम. Kutra all are one word only except samayah atitah.
Yes. One word. Now looking at it, this is about a teacher. Okay. The teacher is telling the student, Vashyatam. It should be read by you. Okay, yakaram comes means karmani prayogam. Vachyatam. Okay, keep on reading. Samayaha atitaha. Time is going. The time is lapsing. So you start reading, you all. Spashtam agre. Agre means as you go forward. Agre means forward. As you goes forward, spashtam. It will all become very clear to you. So you better keep on reading. As you go further, it will all become very clear to you. Bhavishyati, future tense. Bhudhatu, bhavishyati means bhavati, future tense. It
Not,
will all become very
not
clear
Pata.
as you go further. Iti patayatam. I told no, patatam means you are reading. Patayatam, it is being told. That is niche pratyam I told you. Somebody makes you do it means it will pattu will become pata. So Padmavati patati means she is reading. Patayati means she is teaching. So patayatam iti patayatam grante. In the grantham, the book, if it is being taught like this, Kartiniam kutra vartate. What is the difficulty for the teacher? Because he is not teaching anything. He says, you go, read. As you go further, everything will become clear to you. So this way he teaches everything. So for him, there is no katina. There is no Kartinyam means katinasya bhavaha. I told you, no, there is something called bhavartham. Madhuram, sweet. If you say, what is the bhavam of Madhuram? We say Madhuryam. There is some, that is, as you go further only you will read, there is some Tadida Pratyayam is there. So somebody is Suraha, he is very great. He has Dhairyam means, if you want to tell the Bhavartham, Suraha will become Shauri. So Mahavishnuku we call no Shauri. This is all because it is his Bhavartham. Similarly, katinasya bhavam katinyam. So, if a grante is patayatam, in this way, if it is taught, what is the way? You keep on learning, reading. As the time goes, you will all come to know spashtatam. It will become very clear to you. Only that much sir is telling. He is not explaining anything further. So, katinyam, what is the difficulty? Kutra, where it is? Vartate, is there? Vartate is equal to asti. I told you, no, same. It is a Atmanepadi. Asti is Parasmapati, that's all. So where is the difficulty in teaching like this? There is no difficulty. So that is the whole thing. What is written below, kindly read it. But the meaning is only this much. So somebody telling with what you call, not, he is not teaching properly. He is simply telling you read, you will understand as you go further. So there is no difficulty for him in teaching. But this is not a way to teach, that is the idea behind it. Okay, sir, read the balance. Ekaha.
It is, Allah, it is written in Kannada, madam.
Okay. Somebody else read.
But I can translate it.
Okay.
No, it's written here. No, just read what is written
From
here on the
our board,
screen.
you can read, no? From the computer. Can you see the
Oh,
computer?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can read. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. एकः व्यक्ति उत्तमशिक्षकः इति विषये प्रसिद्धः आसीत्, परन्तु अग्रे एव अवगतं तस्य पाठनशैली कथं भवति इति। कथं तस्य पाठनशैली अस्ति इति पश्यामः।
You see, that is Ekaha Vyakti, one person. Okay, Uttama Shikshakaha, very good teacher. Iti Vishaye Prasiddha Asiti. He is a very good teacher. That's what is being told. Parantu, but Agre Eva Avagatam. As you go further, you come to know. Avagatam means understand. Avagatam, Tasya Patana Shaili. Shaili means style. What is his style of teaching? You come to know as you go further. Katam bhavati, katam tasya patana shailaha asti iti pashyama. You see below. What he says? Read, sir. Bhavanta. Read further.
भवन्तः पुस्तकं पठन्तु, समयः अतीतः, अग्रे पाठं स्पष्टं भविष्यति। एतादृशम् अध्यापकेन पाठं पाठयति तेन चेत् पाठं पाठयति चेत् ग्रन्थे काठिन्यं कुत्र वर्तते?
So now what is his style? We are seeing. What he says? Bhavantaha, you all pustakam patantu, you all read the book. Samayaha atitaha, time is going, you better start reading the book. Agre patam spashtam bhavishyati. As you go further, everything will become very clear to you. Edadrusham, like this, you know, na? Edadrusham, these words, you know, tulyam, like this, equal to this. Adhyavakena patam patayati. In this way, if the teacher is teaching, chet, in that case, grante, but is reading the book, katinam kutra vartate, where is the custom? Nothing, because he is not bothered to teach anything further. That's the idea behind it. Then again, on another samasya is there. Amritaji, can you read it? Samasya. Amrita madam, she is unmute.
Thank you. From Samasya, right?
Yes, madam.
समस्यायाः सामान्यार्थः अस्ति युवावस्थायाम् एवं दुरावस्थायाञ्च केसरीभात् स्वादिष्टमस्ति इति परन्तु अत्र केसरीभात् इति प्रख्यात् मिष्टान्नं न सूचयति. Oh, sorry, I think I moved ahead.
What is there in the computer? Can you read it, madam?
Yes. वार्धके यौवने वापि केसरीभात् वशिष्यते. विशिष्यते. श्लोकार्थः.
Don't go further. Try to find out what is given. You yourself can don't know. Vardake. Vardakam means, I don't know. Bhavartham we are now learning. Okay, somebody who is old, that bhavam is known as Vardakam. Okay.
Okay.
So Vardake, Yavane. Yavana means the Yuvanasya, that is young fellow. In the old age and in the young age, Vapi, in both the cases.
यौवने वा अपि केसरीभात् विशिष्यते.
Kesari bath, we all know the picture is there. It looks like some kesari which sweet we make at home. The kesari bath is a sweet. Vishishyate, it is Vishishyate means it is very likable. Everybody likes it. Whether you are young or old, kesari bath is being liked by everybody. Like that, it looks like that, but by reading. But if you go deep into it, kesari bath doesn't refer to a sweet. Now read below. That is why it is called samasya, a riddle. It is not what is this Vartike and Yavane Kesari Bhati Vishishyate. What is great in this poem? Like that we think. But this is not referring to Kesari Bhath at all. So go down and read it. Tell what is the sloka artha.
यदा कदा समस्यापि विनोदपूर्णा भवति. समस्यायाः प्रस्तावनां कर्तुं समये केचन शब्दाः अन्यभाषातः सम्मिश्रिताः भवन्ति. एतादृश एका समस्या अस्ति. वार्धके यौवने वापि केसरीभात् विशिष्यते इति. समस्यायाः सामान्यार्थः अस्ति युवावस्थायाम् एवं दुरावस्थायाञ्च केसरीभात् स्वादिष्टमस्ति इति. परन्तु अत्र केसरीभात् इति प्रख्यात् मिष्टान्नं न सूचयति. अत्र केसरीभात् इति पदस्य पदविभागं कुर्मः चेत् केसरी प्लस इभात् इति रूपं भवति. अर्थात् केसरी इत्युक्ते सिंहः एवं इभः इत्युक्ते गजः इत्यार्थः. अधुना भावार्थं स्पष्टं भवति. युवावस्थायाम् एवं दुरावस्थायां च सिंहः गजात् श्रेष्ठः भवति इति.
So Kesari Bhath is there. As you know, Iba means elephant. Kesari means lion. So whether young or old, the simham is always better than the elephant. That is the idea. But by joining Kesari plus Iba and from word, so Ibath, Ramat, from Rama, like that we saw. No? So Ibaha plus that Panchami Vibhakti they have added. So it looks like Ibath. So Kesari Ibath meaning in the E will joined with the Kesari because of Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. So Kesari Ibath joined with it. It looks like Kesari Bath. Actually it is Kesari and Iba. That's a Panchami Vibhakti. So this is a samasya. Once you know to split the word, you understood the real meaning. Whether in the young age or in the old age, Kesari is always better than the Ibaha. That is the idea. Elephant is not superior to Kesari. That is the very idea. But looking at it, we may wrongly and thinking whether young or old, we like Kesari bath like that, but it has nothing to do with that. Okay, shall we go further?
Yeah.
Okay. Next one is Subhashita. Can you open the book? Somebody, Uma is there? Uma is left. Okay. Madam Swapna ji, you tell. Subhashita.
रत्नैर्महाभेस्तुतुर् तुतुषुर्न देवा
Hmm.
न भेजिरे भीमविषेण भीमविषेण भीतम्
Hmm.
सुधां विना न प्रययुर्विरामम्
Hmm.
न निश्चितार्थाद् विरमन्ति धीराः.
Is something about Dhiraha. So Dhiraha na viramanti. That is the entire sentence. Dhiraha, the people with courage, na viramanti. They will never take leave. Viramanti means taking leave or stopping from doing something. Dhiraha na viramanti. That's the whole poem. Now what is that they don't viramanti? And there are some comparisons. First comparison is, but here generally I always tell you, find out what is in the Pratama Bhakti, find out the verb, connect them together, you will get the full meaning. Okay. So in the first line, the verb is Ratnaihi Mahabde Mahabdehe Tutushuhu Na Devaha. That is how you have to split. Na comes with the Tutushuhu. Tutushuhu is a word which you have not learned. Tushtam Santoshaha. That is Tushtaha. There is one word is there. Tasya Litlakara Rupam. This one. Okay. Jagama. Like Gachati is a Latlakaram. Agachat is Langlakaram. Gatavan is your Kridantam, Ikta Pratyayam. Gataha is your. Like that, everything is there. But I told you in the beginning, when Sir wanted to know about the 10 lakarams, for Langlakaram, that is for the past tense alone, there are 3 lakarams available. Okay. Lang, lung, and lit lakaram. This lit lakaram means parosha bhutakalam. That is paraksha. You have not seen with your eyes. It is not, pratyaksha means you have seen. You have seen something, you have heard something. It happened during your lifetime like that. Paroksha means you only heard about it. You have no clue what it is. So that type of verb you are not going to learn now. You have to go to a higher level to learn. But there is a litlakaram. In litlakaram, always the verb will be doubling in the beginning. Just a clue, very raw clue. If you see some verb, yahu, if you look at it, you know there is dhatu called ya, maybe it is here. Like that, the first letter will become doubling. Oh, some simple clue. But there will be a lot of changes. As you go further, only you will come to know. But like padati, padataka, padanti, you are thorough now. Apatata, that you are thorough now. Like that, this will also become okay over a period of time. But that verb is sitting here. So tutur sugu, and look at it, even difficulty in learning for you. But it is santosham. Tushtati, you remember. Santushtati, you remember. In that, this litlakara rupam has come. Only take it like that.
What
So
is the
if you
dhatu, madam? Dhatu, what is the dhatu,
tush
madam?
dhatu, tush, santosham, tush dhatu.
Okay.
So devaha, you know devaha means all those people. Mahabde, Abdam, wherever that Abdam comes, you remember it is a sea. Okay, see, he has a lot of names. One name is Abdam. So, Mahabde, Ratnaihi, you get a lot of Ratna. You know the Samudram holds a lot of Ratnani. That we all know. This we call it coral, this, that, everything is from the Samudram, they call it. So, in fact, Samudram has one more name, Ratnakara. He holds a lot of Ratnam like that. So in the Mahabde, when they were doing that Manthanam of the sea, they want to do it to get the Amritam. Both the Devas and Asuras are doing the Manthanam of the milk sea. You all remember the story, to get the Amritam. At that time, Mahabde, huge amount of Ratnams are coming. Ratnam means precious stones. But they were not happy, na tutusuhu. They never be Tutushuhu means they were not happy with that. Okay. They were not at all because their aim is not to get the Ratnam. They were doing only for getting the Amritam. That Manthanam is being done only to get the Amritam. So first from the Mahabde, Panchami Vibhakti. Abdehe means Panchami Vibhakti. Abdi, so Abdehe. Hari, Harehe. You tell no, same way. So Mahabde, Ratnehi na tutushu. They were not very happy with getting the Ratnam. Then Bhima Vishena, Bhayankaramana Visham comes. You know the Alagala Visham, that what is that snake's name? Vasavi, what is her name? With that they are doing the Manthanam, no? It gives a lot of poison, extreme only Shiva eats it finally. We all know the story. That's why he is known as Nilakanta. So that Mahavisham, Bhima means Bhayankara. Bhima Vishena, Bhayankaramana Vishena, Beatam na Bejire. They are not getting scared. Okay. Bhajati Dhatu, from that this Bejire has come. Okay. So Beatam na Bejire. They were not Beetaha. They were not scared. Then Sudam Vina, Amritam Vina, without getting, because their very purpose is to get the Amritam only. Viramam na prayayihu. Yayihu is, I told you, no, yadatu. Okay, they will not go, yati, yadatu. From they will not go without getting the Amritam. That is how their only aim. They were not happy about the Ratnani. They were not at all afraid about the Mahavisham, or that is a Bhayankara or Bhima Visham. What their only aim is Sudam Vina, without getting the Amrita, Viramam na yayihu, we will not take rest. That is their only aim. Same way, Dhiraha, Dhira Purushaha, Sajjanaha, whatever name you want to put it. What they told, Lakshyam Praptehe na Viramanti. Without reaching their Lakshyam, Lakshyam means their aim. Without reaching, they will not take rest. So, what is they given? Ni, what that is the Nish, Nishchitartat na Viramanti. Nischita Artat. Artam means purpose, you know, no? Rama Artam, Krishna Artam, Bhava Artam. Like that, Artam means the purpose for which we are doing. So whatever Artam, whatever the purpose they have decided, from that Viramanti, they will not take leave, means they will not stop it. They will continue to work till they reach their goal. That's the only Artham of the Subhashtam. Can you read once more, Swapnaji? No?
Ratnaihi Mahabdehe tutushuhu na devaha na bhejire.
Always
Bhima
the na should be put before the verb. Okay, yeah. Na patati means she is not reading like that. Na is always joined with the, just to put before the verb. So na tutushuhu. Devaha Ratnaihi, whatever you is, na tutushuhu. They are not happy with that. Okay. This is a rule. Na should always be combined with the verb, put before the verb. Wherever it is na, because the poets will write it just to get that alankaram, all those things. But we are not bothered. To know the meaning, put just before the verb.
Okay. Bhejire Bhima Vishena na bhejire Bhima Vishena Bhitam.
Bhima Vishena Bhitam na bejire. They were never getting scared about the Bhima Visham, which came from that serpent. Next.
Sudham Vina. Sudham ityukte? Amritam. Okay. Sudham Vina na prayayurviramam na.
Prayayuhu. That R is always
na prayayuhu. Na prayayuhu.
Viramam.
Then viramam.
So what they will not do? Viramam na prayayuhu. They will not take rest. Sudham vina, without Sudham, unless they get the Sudham, prayayuhu, they will not. So viramam na prayayuhu.
Prayayuhu. Na nishchitarthad viramanti dhiraha.
Nishchita means lakshyam. From the lakshyam, na viramanti, they will not move. Who? Dhiraha. Dhairyavan will not move away from the lakshyam. They will continue to do what Deva did in order to get the Sudham. They never stopped with the Ratnani. They never got scared about that Bhima Visham. Evam eva. These dhiraha dhairyavan na viramanti. They will never stop. They will, all of them, once they start it, they will continue to do till the end. That is what is the lakshanam of a dhairyavan. For example, for us and all, if something difficult comes, like let us say by the month of May we are going out, okay, we will not write the exam this time, next time. I say kuch nahi. If I taken studies, write it, get it out of the system, then only they will move. I always tell myself this so that I will continue to write my exams. That's the idea. Okay, so any doubt in this poem? I think so. Everything is
Ma'am,
clear.
this prayayuhu, this
Yeah.
is again litlakar, no?
Lit,
Paroksha
yayuhu. So the
Yeah.
dhatu yayihu is what do you call it? Litlakara bahuvachanam actually. Litlakaram, how it comes, no? For example, bhu dhatu, if you take, you all know bhu dhatu, bhavati, you know. Since I am learning Litlakara now, I am telling you, bhu dhatu, that is parosha bhutakalam. Something happened so many years back. So Rama was there, I want to tell. What you will do? Ramaha, bhavati, you cannot say. Because he is not there now. Long back, Paroksha Bhutakalam. You have not seen. So how will you put it? Ramaha Abhut, Lungalakaram you can say. Ramaha Abhavat, Langalakaram you say. But even Lang and Lung, you are supposed to be present. Here for Ramaha, none of us have seen. It is sometimes so. So, Babuva. Bhudatu will become double. Ramaha Babuva. So, Rama, if two people are there, so then that Babuva will become Babuvatuhu. Then if it is Bahuvachanam, Babuhu. So Babuva, Babuvatuhu, Babuhu. Then Madhyama Purusha, Babu Vitaha. Babu with then it again the second one, no, Babuvatuhu, you told no, in that second ta will no, Bhagavatuhu. Then Babuva. Again here that Babuva. Actually, the Babuva will repeat in Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam, Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam, Madhyama Purusha Bhagavachanam will be identical in Litlakaram. Very funny Lakaram, that one. But you will learn. From the context, you will know. Madhyama Purusha Bhagavachanama, illa Prathama Eka, Uttama Ekavachanam. That all we will come to know. But they never introduce Litlakaram at this stage. You will have to learn when you beyond Kovida, when you go, you have to learn. That is how it is.
So,
But
and the
anyway, you
dhatu
should
here
know
is,
it is litlakaram, the verb, first letter of the verb generally doubles. For example, Rama went. Rama again, Paroksha Bhutakalam, Dasarasya Putra Rama. How will you say Rama went? Normally, with all the lakaram, you know, past tense, how will you say?
Rama agachata,
Went.
went. Rama,
Gatavan, no?
Rama gatavan. Okay.
Rama agachat, Rama gatavan, Rama gataha. And then what else we know? Only these three things right now you know. Okay. So, but it is a paroksha bhukta kalam. So I have to say the gam dhatu and ga will double it, but gaga varad. It will the ga. There is some other kutvam. There is one sandhi is there by which this gam dhatu litlakara ekavachanam will become jagama. You will learn this jagama everywhere. Even if you read Vishnu Sahasramar, you will read it because the Gatavan ka past tense. So easily you will read, but you will never understand this is Litlakara because we have not learned it.
Okay.
Kridatu, Chakara. Chakara, Chakratuhu, Chakruhu. That means they all did without you seeing. Paroksha Bhutakalam so many years back. So Kridatu, you know, Karoti, all those you know, but here it is different. Okay. Yayihu also belongs to that. Excellent.
Okay. So this prayayuhu, the dhatu is yuhu, is it?
Yeah, dhatu.
Ya dhatu. Okay.
Ya, dha, like that, akara dhatus are there, no single dhatu. Dadati, da. Pa dhatu, pibati, it will become, but dhatu is pa. These things will take a rupam like this, yayau, dadau, like that. That single letter will break that rupam. Whereas if you take pattu dhatu, it will become papata, petatu. Petu, something different. But we will learn. Like you learned Latlakaram, whether we know. But we started learning, every one of us are now very happy. Patati, Pataka, Patanti, Aram se we are saying. Like that, this also you will learn. But right now, it is not there for you. That's the only thing. Next is Subhashita. It's over, huh? Ratnehi. That you have to read that full form.
देवाः महाब्धेः न रत्नैः तुतुषः भीमविषेण भीतिं न भेजिरे सुधां विना विरामं न प्रययुः धीराः निश्चितार्थात् न विरमन्ति तात्पर्यं पुरा देवाः अमृतप्राप्त्यर्थं समुद्रस्य मन्थनं कृतवन्तः आदौ अमृतं न प्राप्तं परन्तु विविधानि रत्नानि प्राप्तानि सन्ति परन्तु रत्नैः तेषां सन्तुष्टिः न जाता अतः पुनः
What type of word this is? Ratnehi Tesham.
रत्नैः तेषां
That sentence, that is a Kartari Prayam or Karmani Prayam?
Why?
Ratnehi, Tritiya Vibhakti.
कर्मणि नो
Karmani Prayam. So, Santushtihi Srilinga Rupam, Ataha Jata. Okay, singular Srilinga Rupam. So, that is a Karma Padam, but now it will act like a Kartru Padam. So, Santushtihi na Jata. By what? By Ratnehi. If you are writing in Kartari Rupam, how will you write? By Ratnas, they were not happy. This is what the word, it is in the Karmani Rupam. Convert it to Kartari, no? That is the very purpose of this whole Parishaya. After that, you will have to proceed further. Ratnehi will become what? Tritiya Vibhakti will become Pratama Vibhakti. So, Pratama will become Ratnaha, Ramaha, Ratnaha. Tesham will remain Tesham. Sixth Vibhakti, you will not touch it at all. Okay, Kartari to Karmanila, only what is in Pratama, it will be Tritiya. What is in...
Ratnaihi will be Bahuvachana, right? So
Ratnaha. Ratnaha. Tesham will remain Tesham. Santushtihi na jata. Santushtam. Yeah, that will become Karmani. Karma Padam, so Dvidiya Vibhakti. Santushtam, because it has become Santushtam, has become what? It looks like that Makaram has agaya na. So Jata cannot come. Na Jatam. Santushtam na Jatam. Jataka Jata Jatam. So Santushtam na Jatam. So by getting that, Devaha, by getting these things, they were not getting any happiness. Next. Ataha.
पुनः समुद्र मन्थनं कृतवन्तः तदा भीम विषः समुद्रात् समुत्पन्नः तत् दृष्ट्वापि देवाः भीताः न पुनः समुद्रमन्थनं कृतवन्तः यावत् पर्यन्तम् अमृतम् आगतं तावत् पर्यन्तं तैः समुद्रमन्थनं कृतमेव
So
धीराः ये भवन्ति लक्ष्य साधकाः ये भवन्ति ते न विरमन्ति यावत् पर्यन्तं
लक्ष्य साधकाः. That is the विशेषणं for धीराः. लक्ष्य साधकाः धीराः ये भवन्ति ते न विरमन्ति. They will never take rest.
यावत् पर्यन्तं लक्ष्य प्राप्तिः भवति तावत् पर्यन्तं ते प्रयत्नं कुर्वन्ति एव इति अस्य सुभाषितस्य तात्पर्यं कथयति.
Clear, no? Okay.
Yeah.
Next we will go. One more Subhashitam is there. It is very interesting. I like this Subhashitam. Amrita, can you read? Papan.
पापान् निवारयति योजयति हिताय यं निगूहति गुणान् प्रकटीकरोति आपदं च न जहाति ददाति काले सन्मिलित लक्षणमिदं मित्रलक्षणमिदं प्रवदन्ति सन्तः.
So who is a Sanmitram? Sat Mitram. Sat Mitram, they have written as Sanmitram. What is a Sandhi? What is a Sandhi? Sanmitram. Makaram is which letter? Makaram. Nya, nga, na, ma, na. What is the letter it is? Makaram. Anunasika letter. Okay. So, Sat Mitram has become San Mitram. It is known as Anunasika Sandhi. Anyway, it is what you call Hal Sandhi, so you have not read it. But whenever you read San Mitram, San plus Mitram, don't read it is Sat Mitram. That is Sat, you know, good. Okay, Sati, Sat. Now, madam, first one, Papa Nivarayati. Is there any Sandhi there? Nivarayati means removes it from you. Nivaranam means removing. Papan Nivaranam. Papan means what type of word it is? It has to be some Sandhi. Just now I told you, it is again Nakaram is your fifth letter, Anunasika letter. Ataka Anunasika Sandhi आ गया. Papat, fifth vibhakti. From something you can be removed. Na? So Papat Nivarayati. Yojayate, he joins you with the hitaya. Hita means good things. Joins you with all the good things. Guhyam niguhati. Guhyam means what? If you are joining something not good, he will not allow you to join. The niguhati, gunan. Other, if there is something, you can say guhyam means even rahasyam is one more artham is there. Let me see what is here used. Gunan prakati karoti. Prakati you all know. Prakatanam is a word in even in Tamil I am learning. So prakatanam means loudly telling. If the Mitram has good qualities, what you are supposed to do? Prakatikaranam. He is such a good fellow. He is such a good fellow, like that we should tell. Whereas something is not okay, guhyam, I think so, rahasyam, you have to take care. That abat gatam cha na jahati. Abat, you know, vibat, abat means difficulty. Or some risky thing has happened, some bad time has fallen upon him. Like that, if it is there, na jahati, he doesn't leave him. Dadati kale, if the friend needs something, a good friend will give him in time. Okay, I will give you, like that. After 1 year, if you give, what is the use? Dadati kale. Then Sanmitra, Sat Mitra Lakshanam. What is the qualities of a Mitram? This is what it is. Pravadanti Santaha. Vadanti. Pra Upasarga Purvam Vadadadu Vadanti Santaha. Santaha, you know, good people. Sajjanaga Evam Vadanti. Sajjanaga, they define the Lakshanam of a Sat Mitram. There are Sanmitram, there are Satputraha, there are Sat Kalatram. There are poems which I already learnt. Similarly, this is also a poem which defines who is a good friend. Madam Padavibhagam, read it.
पापात् निवारयति योजयते हिताय गुह्यं निगूहति गुणान् प्रकटीकरोति आपद्गतं च न जहाति ददाति काले सन्मित्रलक्षणम् इदं प्रवदन्ति सन्तः
Padartham.
पदार्थः पापात् निवारयति पापनिवारणं करोति हितं योजयते उत्तमकार्यं योजयति निगूहति गोपन विषयस्य रक्षणं करोति.
Gopaniya means rahasyam. If there are some secrets, he will keep up the secrets. He will not tell everybody.
गुणान् प्रकटीकरोति सद्गुणान् अन्येषां कृते प्रकटयति. आपदं च कष्टकालः आयाति चेत् न त्यक्त्वा न गच्छति ददाति. आवश्यकता समये सन्तः
साहाय्यं करोति. सन्तः सज्जनः.
सन्मित्रलक्षणं प्रवदन्ति. एतानि मित्रलक्षणानि इति कथयन्ति.
Okay, very good. It is very, very easy, but very useful slogam. Okay, madam, read out the Anvaya we have done, I think. Tatparyam, can you tell?
तन्मित्रं यत् भवति तत् अस्मान् पापान् निवारयति पापकार्यं कर्तुं न प्रेरयति यत् कार्यम् अस्माकं हितकरं भवति तत् कार्यं कर्तुम् अस्मान् प्रेरयति अस्माकं गोपनीयः विषयः भवति तं विषयं रक्षति मत्सु ये सद्गुणाः भवन्ति तान् गुणान् स्वीकरोति यदा कष्टकालः आयाति तदा अस्मान् त्यक्त्वा न गच्छति आवश्यकता समये अस्माकं साहाय्यं करोति एतानि अपि सन्मित्रलक्षणानि इति सन्ति
Santah Kadayanti. Is there any hard word here you don't know? Asmat su means Asmat Sabdam you know na Aham. That Aham Sabdam na Aham Avam Vayam. Tasya Pratipadikam is Asmad. So Asmad na myself. It starts with. Okay, Asmasu in that boy or whatever in that whatever is there. Asmasu te Sadgunaha Bhavanti. In that friend, if there is any gunam in himself, in that boy himself. So Asmad usage. This is a very rare usage. But we can use it. Swasya we tell no. Swasya krite sadgunaha santi chet. Like that we can write. In him if there are good qualities. Swasya krite, atmanam krite. In atma and swasya they are identical meaning. Atma means swayam only. So swasya krite, atma krite, like that we can write it. Here they have used the asma sabdam. But this is a very nice way of using it. So in him, if there are some sadgunaha, bhavanti chet, what you are supposed to do, you have to prakati karanam. You have to tell everybody, my friend is so good, like that. If there is some rahasya vishayaha asti chet, you have to safeguard it. Rakshanam karaniyam. Guhyam means rahasya vishayani. You have to rakshanam karaniyam. You should not go and tell anybody. So these are all the some 4 or 5 items. First, most important is if the friend is supposed to, trying to do some papa karyam, first thing you should do, don't do. Nivarayati. Don't go that side, it is not good for you. That is very important. And there are good things which are being done, you have to join him there. Please go and do the good things. So, yojete hitaya. If there is a guhyam, then he is niguhati. He is keeping it up or rakshanam karoti. If there are gunan asti chet, prakati karoti. He goes and tells everybody, mara friend mein itna acha gunan asti, like that. Apat kadam che, in case he meets some danger or he is in a kashta kalam, na jagati. First thing, he doesn't leave him. Many fair weather friends will leave you when you are in trouble. But a good friend, Sat Mitraha, he will never leave you during the Apat Kalam. Kale Dadati, whenever you need, he will give you what you want. Idam, these are the Sanmitra Lakshanam, Idi Pravadanti Santaha. They tell you these are the Sanmitra Lakshanam. What is this? Kavya Kada. Okay, this will be very easy. We can quickly go through it. Who would like to read Kavya Kada? Please start quickly. Even from the book, you can read the Kavya Kada.
दशरथस्य शापः दशरथः सम्यक् राज्यं परिपालयति स्म किन्तु बहुकालं सः पुत्ररहितः आसीत् अतः तस्य चिन्ता आसीत् देवेन्द्रः देवलोकस्य नृपः तस्य राजधानी अमरावती राक्षसाः देवानां वैरिणः ते देवलोकस्य आक्रमणं कृतवन्तः देवाः भीताः देवेन्द्रः दशरथस्य साहाय्यं प्रार्थितवान् दशरथः देवलोकं गत्वा असुरैः सह युद्धं कृतवान् युद्धे राक्षसाः पराजिताः देवानां सौख्यं जातम्.
Okay.
So
let us stop at this point. Any hard word? This is so easy. I don't think we have to explain.
So I want to know this one. Devendra Tasya Rajdhani, okay.
No, you can
Rakshasa Devana Vairinaha. What is Vairinaha?
Vairinaha, enemy, Shatru.
Trouble.
Vairinaha means Shatru, enemies.
Okay, got it.
Vairinaha.
Got it.
So enemies, Shatravaha. Yes, madam? What I'm
What is
telling now, what I request, you try to convert this into your own word, no? Dasaratha samyak rajyam paripalayati sma. So, sma, you know, past tense. Paripalayati, taking care. So, can you try to tell it in your own way? Dasaratha nama
दशरथः
ekah raja
सम्यक्
asti.
राज्यं
Rajyam,
पालयति
palayati, you can
परिपालयति
say. Anything
हाँ,
rakshanam karoti. Palayati is
और
nothing but taking care, no? Raja
रक्षणं करोति
samyak rakshanam karoti janaha, something like that. Try to use your own words which will not deviate from the meaning. Second line, Madam
किन्तु
Amrita,
ओके
kintu parantu
सः
putra
पुत्र
rahitaha, meaning
पुत्र विना
putra vina. So some other word you can use, you see? Can you convert it to some word? Bahukalam. Bahukalam means chirakalam. Chira means long. You know, no Chiranjeevi. Chira means long. So Bahukalam, chirakalam you can use it. Parantu, saha, putra rahitaha, putra vina. Otherwise, saha krite putraha nasti. He doesn't have a child. Like that we can say. Ataha tasya chinta asit. So, ataha saha chinta kulaha bhavat. Chinta akulam means sadness. Or kinna abhavat. Or dukkaha abhavat. So, because of that, his chinta is nothing but dukkam or this one only. Akulam, something like that. Then this Devendraha Devalokasya Nirpaha, very easy. Devalokasya Raja Devendraha. What is the kingdom of Devendra? Amaravati. Okay. So, who is the enemy of Devaha? Rakshasaha. Another name is Daityaha. Dityoho Putraha Daityaha we call. Diti is one wife, Aditi is another wife. Same father. Aditi is one wife, for her all the Narayanas are born. Like Vishnu, Indra, all the 12 Aditya are born to Aditi. Aditi Putraha Adityaha we call it. And second wife is Titi, who is the sister of Aditi. And for her all the Daityaha, that is Rakshasaha are born. Okay. Vairinaha means Shatravaha. Shatru, the Bahuvachanam Shatravaha. Te Devalokasya Akramanam. Akramanam means they were, you know, no, Akramanam, how do you say it in English? They
Attack.
went and took that Devalokam.
attacked
Attacked. Akramanam Kritavantaha. Okay. Devaha Beataha, because they are very scared, Devaha. Devendra, whose help he wants? Prarthitavan.
दशरथ
Dasaraste Sahayam. Sahayam means nothing but help. So Devendra Yachitavan, he wanted. In the Dasaraste Sahayam Yachitavan, Prarthitavan. Dasaratha Devaloham Gatva, having gone there, Asurehi Saha, along with the Asuraha. You know, Asurehi Saha, Tritya Bhakti. Saha Sakam, Sardam will come only with the Tritya Bhakti. I told you, this is a grammar rule. So Saha, once you say Sitaya Saha, Ramena Saha, only you have to use. Then the verb, the noun which comes along with the Saha will be always in Tritya Bhakti. That is one grammar rule. So Devalokam Gatva, Asurai along with the Asuras, Yuddham Kirtavan, Yuddham Karoti Sma. Yuddhe Rakshasaha Parajitaha. Parajitaha means what? They failed. They could not win. Parajitaha, they were made to lose. Yuddhe, அவன் பேர் என்ன இந்திரக ஜிதவான். Opposite of Jitavan is Parajitaha. Devanam Saukyam Jatam. Devaha become happy again. This is the whole thing. Next para, Madam Amrita, read it. Any doubt you had, Amrita, in this?
I just wanted to know for Vairinaha, the Linga Padam, madam.
What is the Madam? What? I
Vairina
can't. Your
is
voice is getting cut, whether for me or for everybody.
everybody
Something get cuts, I can't hear properly. Vairinaha, it is a Bahuvachanam. Vairi, it sabdam is Vairin sabdam, Nakara sabdam, Guni sabdam madri. Okay, Vairi. So Vairi, Vairinau, Vairinaha. It is a nakaranta sabdam, like Rajan, Raja, Rajanau, Rajanaha. So Vairi, dasya Srilinga Rupam, Guni Sabdatya Sririma Gunini. Remember? Guninna Asyasti, so Guninna Sabdam, so Guni, Guninau, Guninaha. Tasya Srilinga Rupam Gunini. So Vairi Sabdatya Srilinga Rupam Vairini. This is what you are asking? Okay, madam. So, something, your voice is getting cut.
Yeah,
Even
I,
if you
I'm
say yes, some sound only comes. Nothing else is coming.
okay.
Okay. Okay, read, madam.
So this is Vairi, no, madam. No Visarga.
Where?
Vairi.
Vairi. Yeah, Guni. No Visargam. Ikara Sabdam has no Visargam. This
Dirgha
you have to
Ikara.
learn Sabda Rupam. Ramaha, Akaranta Rupam. There will be a Visargam there. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. Whereas Guni, there will not be any Visargam. Guni, Guninav, Guninaha. Raja, Raja, no Raja. Raja has any Visargam? No, na. So the Nakara Sabdam doesn't have Visargam. And Nakaram will become Lopam also. It will go away. There's a grammar rule. So when you learn Pullinga Sabdam, learn like this: Akara Rupa Sabdam, Ikaram, Hari Sabdam, Ukaram, Guru Sabdam, then like this, then Pita, Mata, Data, these are all Trich Sabdangal. Okay, Datra Sabdam, Data, Pitra Sabdam, Pita, Matra Sabdam, Mata. So this three also, it becomes Mata, Matarao, Mataraha, like that it changes, no? So these are different types. You have to learn it that way only, Sabdarupa.
Okay.
Okay,
So
next.
Vairi, the Ditya Vachanam will be, what is it, madam? Vairi?
No, Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam is Vairi. Dvivachanam is Vairi now.
Vairi
Bahuvachanam
now.
is Vairi
Oh.
naha. Tasya
Okay.
Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam will be Vairi Bihi. Because you cannot have, like Rama Sabdam will become Ramai. This will not become like that. Here Bihi only you have to add.
Correct.
Hmm.
Take. Got it, madam. Thank you.
Next, Kalaha Aditaha. Madam, read, madam, somebody. Okay, Swapna, you read. I think Amrita has put it off.
कालः अतीतः एकदा वसन्तमासे दशरथः मृगयां कर्तुं वनं गतवान् वने हिंस्राः प्राणिनः आसन् नृपः अनेकान् प्राणिनः हतवान् अन्ते दशरथः रात्रौ वने एव विश्रान्तिं स्वीकृतवान्.
Okay. So,
Lot
Kalaha
of time.
Atitaha, time is going. Atitaha means gone. That is the meaning. This Kalaha Atitaha, this is a very famous, that is Samastapadam. As you go further, you will read it. Atitaha, Shritaha, like that. There are words which will be only joining with Dvidiya Vibhakti. That is a rule. Anyway, that is not a problem now. Here, that time is going. Ekada. Okay, this ekada means kada. You remember kada means seventh vibhakti. I told you, no, kada kutra belongs to seventh vibhakti. Ekada means once upon a time, in some time.
वसन्तमासे.
Vasanta Mase, that is a season. Dasaratha Mrigayam means hunting. Mrigayam, the word Mrigaya means hunting. Mrigayam for hunting. Kartum, Tumun Pratyayam, Vanam Gatavan. He went to forest. Vane, Himsraha Pranina. Himsraha means, not that which kill others. That is that Mrigangal. Not like Mrigaha, that is like not like the man, small things which don't eat anybody. That he doesn't do. Only Himsraha Mrigaha. So Vana Mrigaha eva Asan. Asan, Bahuvachanam Asita. Asadato Bahuvachanam. Niripaha means Raja. Anekan Praninaha Hatavan. So he killed many Praninaha. He killed a lot of Mrigaha. Ante, in the end, Dasaratha Ratrau. Ratri is Ikara Sabdam. Hari. Ratrau, which vibhakti? Ratri, Hari Sabdam. No, Ratrau. No, Didi vibhakti nahi. Hari Sabdam.
The Saptamiya.
Saptami, Harau. Hari oda 7வது பக்தி Harau. Guru oda 7வது பக்தி Gurau. So Ratri, Strilinga, Ikara in the Sabdam. Actually, Strilinga Ratri. So Ratro means in the night, seventh Vibhakti. Always try to match the Vibhakti and try to understand the meaning. Otherwise, we will, because it's a new language, we will end up imagining something else. That is another problem. So Vibhakti and the Kriya Padam, and when you look at Vibhakti, Kartrupadam, you have to look at it. Pratama Vibhakti is always Kartrupadam. Dudya Vibhakti is always Karma Padam. Triya Vibhakti always Karana Padam. With what you are going. Chaturthi Vibhakti is always the person who is going to receive something from you. Pancham Vibhakti is always something from which something is going away. Shashti Vibhakti is Sambandham. Something related to Ramasya Putraha, like that. Sambandham. Saptami Vibhakti in that. So, that's what I am trying to tell you. Ekada. What is that? Ekada. What is that? Vasanta Mase. In that, this is also seventh Vibhakti. When two seventh Vibhaktis are coming together, no, we call it as a Sati Saptami. Just to put it in your mind. It is one grammar which you have to learn as you go further. Mrigayam Kartum, in order to do the hunting, Vanam Gatavan, Vane Simraha Praninaha. Naturally, in that, all that Praninaha, like Simmam and other things are there. Nirupaha Anikan Praninaha Hatavan, Ante Ratrau Vane Eva Vishrantim. Vi Upasarga Purga Shram Dhatu. Shrantim means tiredness. Shrantaha means he is very tired. Artham. So, in order to do Vishrantim, in order to take rest, Vane eva svikirtavan. He decided to stay in the Vanam itself. Next. Sir, can you read?
Pratah,
Madam, read. No problem. Read anyway.
प्रातः दशरथः अश्वम् आरूढवान् तमसानदीतीरं गतवान्
Tamasa Nadi Tiram Gatavan.
तमसा नदीतीरं गतवान् ओके नदीतीरे तपस्विकुमारः आसीत् सः कुम्भे जलं पूरयति स्म नृपः दूरात् तं शब्दं श्रुतवान् गजस्य शब्दः इति सः चिन्तितवान् गजं हन्तुं बाणं विसृष्टवान् बाणः तपस्विकुमारम् अताडयत् कुमारः हा तात इति क्रन्दनं कृतवान् नृपः तस्य समीपं गतवान् बाणाहतं तं दृष्ट्वा नृपः अतीव दुःखितः पतितं तपस्वी कुमारम् आश्रमं नीतवान् तत्र वृद्धौ दम्पती आस्ताम् तपस्वी कुमारः मृतः मृतं पुत्रं दृष्ट्वा वृद्धः कुपितः दशरथाय पुत्रशोकात् तवापि मरणं भविष्यति इति शापं दत्तवान् शापं श्रुत्वा दशरथः दुःखितः अभवत् पुत्रः भविष्यति इति सन्तुष्टः अपि अभवत् तथापि शापभारेण सः दशरथः राजधानीं प्रत्यागतवान्.
He returned back. Prati Agatavan means he returned back to the forest. This story we all know. Why Dasaratha died, we all know. How he died also we know. So we all keep, naturally we all blame that third wife. She bad lady, but it is his sapam. It is getting done through that lady. That's all. All our karma vina only we are finally going through. These stories tell us, be good always, think before acting. Even if you do something inadvertently, if you do a papam, you have to go through the fruits of that papam. Good also you will go through it, bad also you will go through it. That's what they say, that God, the greatest God, He creates you, He gives you everything, but He is only a witness. He never participates. And if you go and tell, oh, I am suffering, no, what you did, you are suffering. Oh, I am being happy. Okay, what you did, you are enjoying. He is not making you unhappy or he is not making you happy. It is you yourself. But somehow we all forget that. That is a problem. These stories try to tell us. That is a only way. Very beautiful way of putting people in the right path. This is what I think. Today, I don't know, in the schools and all, there is no class on moral. When I studied so many years back, I heard that moral class where teacher will tell some story and she will even ask us, what do you understand from that? In that young age, we never understood anything, but something went inside. But that classes, whether they are there now, I doubt. All international schools, all talking about something else. My granddaughter comes and sings so many English songs which I don't understand only. But this is the world today we have to live. Anyway, come back to our story. Prataha, early morning. Dasharatha, ashram, that is
Ashwam. Ashwam
Ashwam
Arudavan.
Arudavan. Ashwam means, you know, na, Ashwaha means
Horse.
horse. Arudavan means got up into it.
Climb.
Always
Got up.
Aruda means climbing. This you have to remember. Then what happens?
Tamasa Nadi Tiram Gatavan. Goes near
There is
the
a
Tamasa
Nadi
Nadi.
called Tamasa. There he goes.
Nadi
Nadi
Tire Tapasvi Kumaraha Asit.
there is
Near
one boy.
the
His name is Tapasvi
bank.
Kumaraha.
Mm.
Actually, his name is
Yeah.
some Shravana or something. But Tapasvi, he does
Right.
Tapasvi, so he is there.
Mm. Saha Kumbe Jalam Purayati Sma. He's filling water in a pot.
Pot.
In a kumbha.
So that time in the river, whenever you are catching water in a pot, that gubu gubu gubu, some sound will come. As water goes,
Yeah.
the air will be escaping. So some sound will come.
So Nripaha Durat, from far away, the king heard the sound.
Durat,
So he
from far away place, he heard the sound.
Gajasya Shabdaha iti saha Chintavan. He thought it is
Chintitavan.
elephant's.
Chintitavan. He thought this is the sound of a elephant. So
You
Shimra.
know what, madam?
Yes, ma'am.
He Dasharatha, he is killing Himsraha Praninaha.
Yeah.
And he is and he's thinking this is an elephant. Elephant is not a Himsa Praninaha.
But elephant
Right?
is not a household animal, no, madam. It is definitely one only.
Okay.
It might not
Mrigaha
be
is not a
Himsraha.
household.
Yeah. That is
But wild
Okay.
elephants can attack you, ma'am.
Correct.
Okay.
I had couple of episodes.
Yeah, correct.
while,
Yeah.
while crossing Bandipur, Ooty, no, Satyamangalam forest, twice I escaped.
Ayyo.
Yeah.
Very good.
That
So
is true. That
maybe
is true.
we have to take it as a Himsraha. So he thinks
Yeah.
he's a elephant. That is a problem. He thinks, Chinta, he did not see. This is very important. As a king, he has to decide only after thoroughly verifying, which can be happen only by seeing, hearing, understanding, discussing, and all those things. But in that particular, that's a fate. He decided, because Rama has to be born, no, in order to kill the Asura called Rakshasa called Ravana. So he has to do all these things. They are all only instruments.
Yeah. So Gajam Hantum Banam Visrishtavan. So to
That
kill
word
the
P
Gaja.
Upasarga Purga Srij Dhatu. Usually this Srij means generally putting water, no? Srijati means you can put water on a small sasyam, small trees like that. Here it means sending the Shipati, we generally use. Shipati means throwing the this one banam. Here Visritavan, this word is used, which is also equal to putting the water like that. Here putting the banam. He put the banam on the elephant.
Banaha Tapasvi Kumaram Atadayat. So it fits
Tadayati,
the.
Sabdarubam Tadayati, Atadayat is the past tense, Langlakaram. So it just, see, just by hearing, not even looking at it, he is able to send such a, that's why he was able to win over the Asuras by helping the Indra, no? He is so great. So he killed him, but unfortunately his talent went wrong this time. He killed the Tapasvi Kumaraha. So the
Kumaraha shouts, Tata iti
Tata means
Krandana.
father. In Sanskrit,
Father.
Tata generally means father. He calls his father, Ayo Appa, like that. No, when something pains us, we say, Appa, like that. Some people say Amma. Depends. So, iti Krandanam. Krandanam means crying very loudly. Crying is there, but Krandanam means very loudly crying is known as Krandanam. Kadaruvadu அப்படிமோ தமிழ்ல. That is known as Krandanam.
Nripaha Tasya Samipam Gatavan. The
So
Raja
he
goes
knows now
close.
something wrong. He went near him.
Bana Hatam Tam Drishtva Nripaha Ativa Dukhita. When he saw that
Banena
he had
hataha.
killed.
Bana hatam means banena hataha. By the bana killed. This is a samastapadam. Tritiya tatpurusha samasaga we call it.
Yeah. So
Banena
patitam.
hataha. That boy, that boy, Drishtuva, Parthuvite, Nirupaha, Ativa Dukitaha. He felt very sad. Patitam,
Patitam
Patitam
tapasvi
means who
kumaram
has fallen down. Patitam, that Kumaram, Ashramam Nitavan, Nayati, no, Nidatu, Nayati means carrying. He took the boy, Nitavan is Tavatu Pratyayam. So Nayati ka Dhatu Pratyayam, Nitavan. He took the boy to the ashramam.
Tatra
Tatra,
vriddho
Dampati.
dampati
This Dampati is a
astam.
Nitya Bahuvachanam. Okay, two people. Dampati is Dampatihi, Dampatiyaha. It is there, but it is meaning two people. That is husband and wife. Vriddhau. These both are in Duvi Vachanam because two people are there. The husband and wife are there. Tatra Vriddhau Dampati Astam. Astam is Hastidatoda Dvivachanam. Okay. Asit, Astam, Asan. All Langlakara Rupam. Astam is Asti Dhatoda Langlaparam Madhyama, sorry, Pratama Purusha Dvivachanam. So Astam, the both of them were there because of Dvivachanam, because Vriddhau is two people, Dampati is two people, so Astam. If more than two people are there, Vriddaha, like that we used. Vriddaha, Janaha, Asan we would have used. Okay. But here only two people, so clearly they are using the Dvivachana Rupam. This we have to remember. When you are doing translation, you have to remember all these rules clearly. Okay. Tapasvi Kumara.
Tapasvi
Madam, this Dampati is Dampatihi, no? Rasva Ikaram. Visarga.
Dampatihi, but the Sampati Saptam is always, what do you call, Nitya, because Dvi Sabdam you take, not Dvi. Does it have a Ekavachanam or Bahuvachanam? No, it is Nitya Dvivachanam. Like that, this is also Nitya Dvivachanam, but it has three Rupams. But we will never use it. We have to use only Dampati if both of them are there.
ठीक.
Yes, sir. Mritaha is Ikta Pratyayam. Remember, Mritavan is Tavatu Pratyayam. Mritaha, Ikta Pratyayam. But you can put even normal Langalakaram also you can put it. But here they have used the Ikta Pratyayam. He died. Mritam Putram Drishtva, they saw the dead boy. Vriddaha Kupitaha. The both the elder people, no, they got very angry. Dasarataya, to him, fourth vibhakti, Dasarataya Nala, for him. They are giving a shabam. He is receiving end. So, fourth vibhakti. Putra Shokat Twamapi Maranam Bhavishyati Shiva Shiva. You also died because of the Putra Shokam. Like that, they give the Shapam. Shapam we all know, no? Shapaka. That one. He gave a Shapam.
tavapi.
Tavapi. Tavapi. Correct. You also. Tava is which Sabdam? Yushmad Sabdam, sixth vibhakti. Shashti vibhakti, Ekavachanam. Okay. Can you finish it? Tava, then Trivachanam. Yushmad Sabdam.
Tavatayoho.
Tavayola, Yushmad Sabdam. Asmad, Mama, Tava.
Yeah.
So,
Tavayoho, no.
sixth vibhakti.
Probably yuvayoho.
Oh, correct.
Probably, like, see and tell me. You have the book now. Asmad Sabdam, Ushmad Sabdam. Take it and read it. Because we have to remember every time.
Tayoho.
Yeah. Okay, tava yuvayoho yushmakam.
Yes. There, what is that? Asma Sabdam.
Mama
Mama.
avayoho asmakam.
Asmakam. There, Asmakam, here Usmakam. There, this one, Avayoho, inge Yuvayoho. Here, Mama, inge Tava. Almost identical only. Asmat, Usmat, if you remember, same thing it will come again and again. The Maya, here Twaya. Okay. Aham, here Tvam. Okay. Mam, Yuvam. So you and it is not very difficult, but you have to remember there is no other shortcut. This Sabda Rupam, nobody can help you. You have to mug it up. Okay, where we are? Okay, that's
Mritam putram drishtva vriddha kupitah.
Pav, he
Seeing
became
the,
very sad.
yeah,
Mm.
you're very angry, not sad, right?
No, no, that old one is very sad. He gave the shapam.
Yeah,
Shapam
yeah.
Shrutva, having heard the
Oh,
shapam.
correct. Yeah,
Dasaradaga
yeah.
Dukita. He became very sad. But he became happy also. You look at the second word. He
Yeah,
got a
putraha
shapam.
bhavat.
Mm. But he what became?
Putraha bhavishyati iti santushtaha api abhavat. He
Mm.
felt
When
happy
he
that he
said
will get
you
a
will
son.
die of Putra Soham, he doesn't have a child till now. So when he said he will die of Putra Soham, he became happy. That means I am going to have a Putra. See, that is what human life is. Even the smallest hope is there, we will apart. Thank God, something is there. It is so sad to die of Putra Soham. But he is even happy. That means I am going to get a Putra, enough, like that. That is a very funny way of putting it. Tatapi, Sapa, so because of the Sapa Bharena, Bharam means the weight. Because having received that heavy weight of a Sapam, Saha Dasaratha, that Dasaratha, Rajadani, that city, the Prapta, Pratyagatavan, again he went back. Question answer? Time is there. Yeah.
Kimartham Dasharathasya chinta asit.
Mm. Don't see the book. You can very well tell. Now you see this, know the story. Anyone can answer.
दशरथः पुत्रहीनः
वेरी गुड पुत्रहीनः पुत्ररहितः पुत्रः विना अस्ति अतः एव सः चिन्तितवान् चिन्ता अस्ति दुःखः अस्ति नेक्स्ट दशरथः किमर्थं देवलोकं गतवान् वाट् पर्पस् ही वेंट
राक्षसैः सह युद्धं कर्तुं
कर्तुं गतवान् वेरी गुड इन्द्रः याचितवान् ओके सहायम् याचितवान् सः स्वर्गं दट् इस् राक्षसाः राक्षसानां कृते युद्धं कर्तुं गतवान् नेक्स्ट मृगायां दशरथः किं कृतवान् what he did when he did that hunting he killed all the himsra animals right so what is the word here
Hatavan.
himsraha
Hatavan.
praninah hatavan not all himsraha praninah hatavan then Nirupah Dhurat kam shabdam sutavan. What noise he had?
Kumbe jalam purayati.
No, but
Shabdam.
he kam shabdam sutavan. Somebody is doing it. He is taking it.
Oh,
Dhurat tam shabdam. That is kumbe jalam purayati. Tat samaye shabdam agachati. Tat shabdam sutavan. Okay. The Muni Kumaraha or Tapasvi Kumaraha कुंभे जलं पूरयति तत् शब्दम् एव सः दूरात् सः मीन्स् दशरथः श्रुतवान् he heard then शापं श्रुत्वा दशरथः दुःखं सन्तोषः च किमर्थम् अभवत् दुःखं किमर्थम् अभवत्
शापं
पुत्रशोकेन एव तस्य मरणम् अभवत् इति श्रुत्वा दुःखः अभवत् परन्तु पुत्रः भविष्यति इति कारणात् सन्तोषमपि अनुभूतवान् और अनुभवं कृतवान् वाट् एवर् यू वाण्ट् टु पुट् don't know he is doing at the same time so with the then अन्वय क्रमः is there shall we do it or you want to go another 10 minutes 4 minutes only left out okay we will close the day today अन्वय क्रमः next week we will see enough time is there the maximum by May we will finish all okay sir can you tell yes sir
next will do madam
yes okay
so this is again Leela only poor thing Dasharatha got stuck
yeah Rama has to be born because this Rakshasa has come you know this Rakshasa what is Ravana and his brother Kumbhakarna they are nothing but the original Jaya and Vijaya. So these are all very funny from that time onwards so many and they are so clever they say you better kill us as early as possible We don't want to go there and be good, we want to be bad. So they become all these Hiranyakasipu, Hiranyavana, then the Ravana, this, then this fellow, what is Kamsaha, and the one more fellow. So every birth he takes
Dantavakra.
to kill these two people, so that what sabam they got from that angry sage, they get rid of it. So final rule is never get sabam in any of these people. That is very important. Okay. Sir, can you tell the mantram, sir?
Yes. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। गुरुभ्यो नमः।
Thank you.
धन्यवादः।
ధన్యవాదాలు.
We'll meet
ధన్యవాదాలు.
next week. We'll meet. Okay.
पुनर्मिलामः।
Thank you.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
Dhanyawad.